I still have some unanswered questions. Who can I turn to for help?
If you have a quick question, you can chat online with a librarian, text us, call us, or visit a library service desk. For subject-specific questions or help with your research, you can contact a librarian with subject expertise. Your subject liaison librarian can help you identify the best resources to search to find the information you need. We can also help you with managing your citations and citing sources. To find out who your subject librarian is, go to the Liaison Librarians page, or you'll find their contact information on the related subject guide. Librarians also teach a number of free workshops throughout the year on topics such as managing your citations and database searching. You'll find the workshop schedule on the library website. If the library does not have a subscription to a resource you think is important, you can contact your subject librarian to let them know. Remember, we are here to help you. For any questions you might have, visit the library webpage or ask a library staff member. Visit our website and follow us for the latest news, announcements, and events. Thank you for watching.